ให้กระเชียนนิสัยก็เหมือนจีกะใจดอนเนียงท่านเนียงจะเจ็ดสตีลไว้ช็อกกันเดียนด้วยเจียตัวฮอตเลื่อนมา
ปุยเนี่ยที่จังหวัดนั่งเอ็กซ์เพรสการลอยนั่งเหมือนเช่เหมือนเช่แต่ประกาศเธอลอยนะคือต่อลอยมันประกาศว่า
สอบเวชีในจุดลุกได้หมกไอเนียงท่านเนียงจ่องพลายอารมณ์มันจ้องดอได้ปนนาจ่องเลิกปนนาช่วยปรับบงไว้ดังยุคนี้บงจ้องชอบโปรลึงเปิดโปรลึงบงสู่ถ่าจ้องเธอหน้าเธอในไว้หน้าเนียงท่าเนียงวัดดังโปรเนียงกำปงแต่สวังนึกสมปัง
มาสยุมิสุสได้แน่นอนในจังหวัดเฮปคริสไทยในจังหวัดเฟอร์การ์ไอแต่เลิกบอดบงเข้ามาเมื่อชีวิตไอทำก่อนกดโพสในขนมคอมมูนิตี้โพสว่ากดท่าชีเรียงรอตัดก่อนประจันบอดรีลิสบอดมวยเช่นยำน้ำชีเรียมรีแอคชั่นบอดก็ได้บริษัทเดซ่าตะกอดนั่งไงเดี๋ยวยำเชสดับบอดแรปทำแต่โจสดับต่างๆได้บอดนี้มีจำนวนเช่นท่า whatever you want จังบานปนหน้าซึ่ง it's kind of club in vibe right he fight the market again I don't know let's see web animation visualizer web នេះដូចរបៀប web តិចនៅក្នុង GTA Vice City អារបៀបពណ៌យ៉ាងការឈូក web queue អានេះគេហៅ West Coast មែនណាគ្នាឬក៏មិនខ្ញុំមិនដឹងខ្ញុំមិនសូវដឹងទេនិយាយនឹងអាខាងសុកគីនឹង
จ่องบ้านปนนาจ่องเลิกปนนาช่วยปรับบงไว้ดังยุคนี้บงจ้องชอบโปรลึงเปิดโปรลึงบงสู่ถ่าจ้องเธอหน้าเธอในไว้หน้าเนียงท่าเนียงวัดดังโปรเนียงกำปงแต่สวังนึกสมปังโอเคจ่องปนนา
จ่องบ้าปนนาช่วยปรับบุกเปิดโปรลึงจะชอบโปรลึงวิตอគ្នាจูนตอគ្នាចឹងហើយយល់បង
บงสู่ถ่าจ้องเธอหน้าเธอในไว้หน้าเนียงท่าเนียงวัดดังโปรเนียงกำปงแต่สวังนึกสมปังโอเคจ้องปนนาจ่องบ้านปนนาจ้องปรับบงไว้ดังยุคนี้บงจ้องชอบโปรลึงเปิดโปรลึงบงสู่ถ่าจ้องเธอหน้าเธอในไว้หน้า
ពេលនេះខ្ញុំចង់ឆក់ពលឹងเห็นណាlời he bring this the new version of Snow Crash
โปรเนียงกำปงแต่สวังนึกสมปัง oh yeah เติบแต่ hangover อารมณ์โดย high เอาตอนดังแต่หน้าเมียนใต้บักชวายสอบเวชีในจุดลุกได้หมกไอนิกท่านเนียงจ่องพลายอารมณ์มันจ้องดอได้
โอ้ยก็ถ้าเอาไปต้องลอยมานี่แมนปุยเนี่ยที่จังหวัดนั่งเอ็กซ์เพรสการลอยนั่งเหมือนเช่แต่ประกาศเธอลอยนะคือต่อลอยมันประกาศว่า
oh yeah เติบแต่ hangover อารมณ์โดย high เอาตอนดังแต่หน้าเมียนใต้บักชวายสอบเวชีในจุดลุกได้หมกไอนิกท่านเนียงจ่อง
สอบเวชีหมดจุดลุกได้มาไอ
พลายอารมณ์มันจ้องดอได้โอเคalright ตามแต่จัดใส่ whatever you like ไอ้จำไอ้บองเนี่ยลุกเลยไอ้จำไอ้บองลุงบนตามได้เรียนมวยปีใบนึกไอ้บองบุกเว้ยใหญ่กิดทางบ้านละบ่ใช่
จำไอ้บองลุงบนตามได้เรียนมวยปีใบก่อนแม่มีแต่มวยก็มีมวยปีใบโชว์ตามได้เรื่องมาชั่วเจ้ามองตามลุงมาแนบมุ้ย
นึกไอ้บองบุกเว้ยใหญ่กิดทางบ้านละบ่ใช่ไอ้นี่ไปให้กระเชียนนิสัยก็เหมือนจีกะใจดอนเนียงท่านเนียงจะเจ็ดสตีลไว้ช็อกกันเดียนด้วยเจียตัวฮอตเลื่อนมาเต้นกับมันเดินหน้ามาได้กับมันเดินหน้ามาตากับมันเดินหน้ามาพลอนนี่จะเป็นเวลาบัดดาซอนจ่องบ้านคนไหนจ่องเลิก
what the fuck come on with you fucking dog โน้ยจอยมาไรเอ้ยดังใจมัดreally I didn't just forget about the bad word
มวยปีใบนึกไอ้บองบุกเว้ยใหญ่กิดทางบ้านละบ่ใช่ไอ้นี่ไปให้กระเชียนนิสัยก็เหมือนจีกะใจดอนเนียงท่านเนียงจะเจ็ดสตีลไว้
you know still like it's the fucking intro oh the wire still wire ដឹងតែខ្មែរមួយជីវិតឲ្យគាត់តាមអា color គាត់ឲ្យទៅចូលមកប្រហែលជាពេលដែលគាត់មកធ្វើជា coach នៅ the rapper ណាគាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមintro វាយហើយគាត់នៅតែ keep ប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយអាហ្នឹងគឺ work មែនបងប្អូនហើយរបៀបថា rapper ដែលបង្កើតរបស់ខ្លួនឯងដដែលតែចេញជាអីថ្មីហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងលយណាបងប្អូនលយ
ឆក់កណ្ដៀនដូចជាទាត់ហត់លឿនបន្តិចកុំឲ្យអ្នកណាមិនដេញកុំឲ្យអ្នកណាមិនតាំងកុំឲ្យអ្នកណាមកប្លន់នេះជាពេលវេលាបណ្ដោះអាសន្នចង់បានប៉ុណ្ណាចង់លើសប៉ុណ្ណាជួយប្រាប់បងឲ្យដឹងយុគនេះបងចង់ឆក់ប្រលឹងពើប្រលឹងបងសួរថាចង់ទៅណាធ្វើនៅវ៉ៃណានាងថានាងអត់ដឹងព្រោះនាងកំពុងតែសវឹងនឹងសំពឹងប៉ុណ្ណាចង់លើសប៉ុណ្ណាជួយប្រាប់បងឲ្យដឹងយុគនេះបងចង់ឆក់ប្រលឹងពើប្រលឹងបងសួរថាចង់ទៅណាធ្វើនៅវ៉ៃណានាងថានាងអត់ដឹងព្រោះនាងកំពុងតែសវឹងនឹងសំពឹងអូខេចង់ប៉ុណ្ណា
the best hook man the best hook for real
នាងថានាងអត់ដឹងព្រោះនាងកំពុងតែសវឹងនឹងសំពឹងអូខេចង់ប៉ុណ្ណាចង់បានប៉ុណ្ណាចង់ប្រាប់បងឲ្យដឹងយុគនេះបងចង់ឆក់ប្រលឹងពើប្រលឹងបងសួរថាចង់ទៅណាធ្វើនៅវ៉ៃណានាងថានាងអត់ដឹងព្រោះនាងកំពុងតែស្រវឹងនឹងសំពឹងអូយសំពឹងសំពាក់សំប៉ះសំចាប់សំអីក៏បានឲ្យតែនាងប្រាប់ព្រោះនាងកំពុងតែស្រវឹងនឹងសំពឹងអូយសំពឹងសំពាក់សំប៉ះសំចាប់
សំពឹងសំពាក់សំប៉ះសំចាប់មកយប់នឹងបងសុំទាំងអស់អូនអើយ please give me that ខ្ញុំនិយាយមែនបើខ្ញុំបានមើលការ perform របស់នៅក្រៅបើសិនជាគាត់មកខ្មែរនៅអាកាសណាមួយដឹងហេតុមួយទេបងប្អូនបើអ៊ំរថាមកពី10មកមួយមកពី8ពេញសាច់ឯងបងតែវាជាការសម័យខ្ញុំមិនងាយបានដើរចេញក្រៅ
សុំអីក៏បានឲ្យតែនាងប្រាប់នាងថានាងចង់បានអីក៏បាននាងមិនដែលចេះខ្វះខាតនាងសុំអីពីអ្នកណាក៏បានព្រោះអាងខ្លួនជាស្រីស្អាតខ្ញុំ
នាងឆាយសម្រស់នាងសុំណាគេក៏បានដែរនេះអត់ខ្វល់ទេគាត់អត់ឲ្យមួយក៏ទៅព្រោះនេះជាស្រីស្អាត
ថានាងគឺជាស្រីឆ្លាត She don't fuck with no broke ass ធ្វើអីក៏មិនចេះខាតឲ្យពួកប្រុសខំសង្វា I swear to God នាងជាធនធាននារីកំរ Her body's like money machine ធ្វើធ្វើខ្មែរឈប់ក្រ
What the fuck Her body like money machine ធ្វើឲ្យខ្មែរឈប់ក្រ She don't fuck with broke ass man ជួយមកបត់ឲ្យលយ
ធាននារីកំរ Her body's like money machine ធ្វើធ្វើខ្មែរឈប់ក្រ The moment that you saw her she might just broke your heart Yeah she like a superstar Go ahead សុំនាងថត Go ahead
អូយគាត់តែឃើញនាងភ្លាមមកយើងបាក់ទោះអារម្មណ៍ចាប់អារម្មណ៍នាងផ្លែតមើលចឹងនារីដែលបងខ្មែរមួយជីវិតគាត់ជួបនឹងប្រហែលជានាងស្អាតខ្លាំងហើយបើនៅក្នុង animation នេះវិញទៀតណាដឹងនៅក្រៅស្អាតមួយទេខ្ញុំជួបអារម្មណ៍បែបហ្នឹងដូចគ្នារបៀបថានារីនឹងស្អាតហើយមានតែមួយគាត់តែជួបភ្លាមចាប់អារម្មណ៍ភ្លាមមកដឹងថាយកឲ្យមកទុកបានណាបើបានសុំថតមួយនាងទៀតអាហ្នឹងប្រហែលជាយើងបានសម្រេចការជោគជ័យមួយក្នុងជីវិត
Broke your heart Yeah she like a superstar Go ahead សុំនាងថត Go ahead សុំនាងចោះចោលចោះចូលបេរងពិសេស What the fuck I gotta do to make you my ស្រីតើត្រូវចេញប៉ុន្មានបត់ឲ្យផ្ទុះនឹងបានល្បីតើមានលុយច្រើនប៉ុណ្ណាទៅអាចធ្វើជាសិទ្ធិ
លយខ្លាំងលយខ្លាំង
What the fuck I gotta do to make you
What the fuck I gotta do to make you my ស្រីអូយ what a flow លយខ្លាំង lyric ក៏កប់លយមកចប់គ្មានអ្វីអាចបញ្ចប់ព្រោះគាត់ជាមេវគ្គបញ្ចប់ខ្ញុំប្រើពាក្យជូនតោះត
ម៉ាច់ស្រីតើត្រូវចេញប៉ុន្មានបត់ឲ្យផ្ទុះនឹងបានល្បីតើមានលុយច្រើនប៉ុណ្ណាទៅអាចធ្វើជាសិទ្ធិមានទ្រព្យមានឱកាសមានអ្វីទាំងអស់ For the lady get the money ហើយចូលចិត្តបង្ហោះចុក
អាស្លេងស្រែនេះអាស្លេងបោះមិញអាស្លេងឡានេះមើល
ណាទៅបាច់ធ្វើជាសិទ្ធិមានទ្រព្យមានឱកាសមានអ្វីទាំងអស់ For the lady get the money ហើយចូលចិត្តបង្ហោះ
For the lady get the money ថាចូលចិត្តហើយចូលចិត្តបង្ហោះ
ចង់បានប៉ុណ្ណាចង់លើសប៉ុណ្ណាជួយប្រាប់បងឲ្យដឹងយប់នេះបងចង់ឆក់ប្រលឹងពើប្រលឹងបងសួរថាចង់ទៅណាធ្វើនៅវេណានាងថានាងអត់ដឹងព្រោះនាងកំពុងតែសវឹងនឹងសំពឹងអូខេចង់ប៉ុណ្ណាប៉ុណ្ណាចង់បានប៉ុណ្ណាចង់ប្រាប់បងឲ្យដឹងយប់នេះបងចង់ឆក់ប្រលឹងពើប្រលឹងបងសួរថាចង់ទៅណាធ្វើនៅវេណានាងថានាងអត់ដឹងព្រោះនាងកំពុងតែស្រវឹងនឹងសំពឹង Oh yeah
What the I have nothing to say with this man. Shout out to the music, the mixing, mastering. Shout out to the guy in the fucking song. This song is so dope. បើបទនេះអត់ល្បីទៀតខ្ញុំដឹងថាស្រុកខ្មែរយើងចេះស្ដាប់វត្តអត់ទេ